Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change locations in Ome TV. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To change your country or location on the Ome TV app, begin by opening the app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to ensure smooth functionality. Once the app is open, you will see an option labeled Country prominently displayed in the center of the screen. Tap on this option to continue. This will bring up a list of available countries. Scroll through the list to find and select the country you wish to connect to by tapping on it. After selecting your desired country, swipe the screen to the left to start browsing. Continue swiping left to navigate to the next icon. This will allow you to view and select the person you want to talk to from that region. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your location settings on Ome TV and begin connecting with people from different areas. So that's basically how to change locations in Ome TV. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.